replacing the pillar. Just pulling out the window trim here on the top, just sliding that out. And then you get a screwdriver, and then it screws in the inside. His car, they try to break into it, so they bent it. So just took the pillars off another TL, just take out the screws here. This is gonna be a short video, short and easy. It's the second screw, and then there's a third screw right there. Pull it to the side, take out the screw, and then you wiggle it out.
Okay, you gotta pull this out.
Okay, well, you gotta pull out this trim first here. There's like little clips in it. Take your time, don't pull it like him.
It's okay, we got parts right there, bro.
And then just slide it off, and there you go. Came right off. We got the new one now. So we got it.
Gotta slide in here first.
Back piece slides in.
And then you
Push this down, and then it snaps in. That's it. And then you put the screws back. The 1, 2, and 3 screws back, and then put the liner back.
There's no videos on YouTube of this.
No, there isn't. It's 2 screws. And then you put back the 3rd screw here. Oh, that looks clean. Looks real good now.
This shit just pushes up. But I might switch this out with yours. Can it come up?
I don't know. Shit, I don't know. And just slide this back on. I'm good to go.